I'm okay. Fun facts. Be the smartest person in the room. If you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future uploads. Did you know that the Twitter bird has a name? Twitter's platform, a PI product manager Ryan Sarver told that the world-famous bluebird was called Larry. He posted a picture from a Twitter meeting he had been to in which creative director Douglas Bowman was analyzing the logo's evolution and wrote, "Going over design at Twitter, the evolution of the Larry the Bird logo." The origin of the name is a mystery, though there has been some speculation that the bird is named after Larry the Bird, who played for the basketball team that Twitter co-founder Biz Stone supports, the Boston Celtics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share your thoughts in the comments section.